Hello everyone on YouTube, it's David, and look what I got here. It's not a light, and it's not a box of records. And neither is it a sitar, although it kind of looks like one. And like I said, you'll remember that video of me doing the sitar. But I'm going to place my phone on the record player, use the record player as a tripod, and then we'll get started. Alright, so it's just like that personal fan that I got. Very well packaged. Looks like radio to be phone on that. Alright. Nice. Nicely packaged. Sec. It's a little easier. Alright, look at that. Is that YouTube? There it is. And it's just like the big tower, the big little fan that I have down there. This is a heater. And yes, it's got a fan in there to help with the heating. No RGB on it, but still pretty cool. Well, I guess it does kind of black is the absence of lighting. This is it. I'll finally open this thing. Hold on, sorry it's taking me so long. This is it right here. There's the cord. Awesome. Yeah, sorry that now it's rattled in the bag because I have to get this off. And then we have a twist tie. I know y'all can't see me, but hopefully y'all can. Sorry if there's background noise. There it is. I'll pull this off. There we go. Alright, there we go. Then we'll go ahead and unwrap this guy. And we'll just look at that, YouTube. There it is. There it is. Here it is, YouTube. Alright, well, I'm going to end the video here, and I'm going to go ahead and get it set up, and we'll be ready to go. I'm not going to make videos of it, but there it is, right there. Alright, thanks for watching, and more to come later.